We go to southern St. Elizabeth, where some residents are only just recovering from Hurricane Beryl. Kalisha Williams spoke with at least one person and filed this report.
Thank you so much. So we are now in Beacon, St. Elizabeth, still in southern St. Elizabeth, where the center of Hurricane Melissa should pass close or directly over this area. And as I said earlier, I'm in Beacon. I don't know if some of you remember last year during Hurricane Beryl, where there was a viral video going around with Reverend Tommy Lee singing in his church as a storm, the wrath of Beryl was being felt outside.
All my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so.
And he's now here with me, and you've moved from that area and you're here now. Talk to me about just what's going on now.
So what's going on now? So this is the home that we're at now from Beryl. It's a family home, so they give us a permission to live here. And you know, the owner is here at this point in time. It is also his first time going through a storm, but he's here with us. And we have made proper preparations, in getting the place, in tune. The windows are buttoned up, and we feel a little bit safer now. Even though my little daughter, the one that was in video, she has been she slept last night with one eye closed, one eye open.
Wow.
Every sound that she hears, she was up. So we're comforting them.
So there's still some trauma there.
Yes, because when they heard that the storm was coming, she started showing that worry, that kind of worry. So we will have to be there, encouraging her. And I was even encouraging them and saying to them, remember that we're in a more sturdy building now. You understand? So we are much safer now than last year.
And how do you feel as well? Now that you're here as well, because I know you must have been concerned for your family last year during that time.
Yes, being here, I'm feeling much comfortable now, and because last year, as I said, we didn't have that, comfort as we did wanted, but I'm still have a little worry because there are persons in our community who lives in homes that are not, but also even since we are here, there are persons who will be staying over with us at this point in time.
Can you say how many people?
5 persons will be staying over, 5 females. Okay. So we just went over to assist a young lady with her daughters to come over. So they'll be staying here, and two other lady from down the bottom in the lane will be coming also to stay with us here at this point in time. And I feel very good to know that where we are at, persons can be able to be safe.
Okay. And you have all your essential items. You were able to take that from your property to here as well?
Yes. So we have all the essential items, and we stock up on food and supplies and support. We even had a generator at this point in time. It's the same. So in case of power outage, we can have it to help us.
But there's no power here now. So
no
any plans to set up this soon?
Yes, short, because everything is already in place. So the card and everything, gas and everything. So it's just when we're ready to utilize the house, we'll be able to get it up and running.
Okay, so you'll be so when did you come over? Today? Last night?
No, it was from last year.
Oh, so you moved here from last year?
Yeah, we moved here from last year, from Beryl. We moved here from last year.
Okay.
So we're still here because where we live is not complete as yet either. So this is our home for now.
Oh, so you're doing some rebuilding around
Yes,
here?
we're doing the rebuilding run by the church property.
Okay, thank you so much, and stay safe, and all the best to you and your family.
All right. Thank you very much, Mrs. Williams.
Well, thank you so much. So right now, it's back to you in studio. I'll be here on the ground, and I'll continue to provide some more updates from southern St. Elizabeth.
Thank you so much, Kalisha. Now, in Great Bay in St. Elizabeth, residents were advised to evacuate as rising seas and strong winds threaten homes close to the shoreline. But despite the warnings, some have chosen to stay, saying they've weathered storms before.
We're 65, right? And we see Gilbert. We see the full force of Gilbert. And the sea, as far as I grew up, I never hear nobody say them ever see the sea come further than the road, right? Gilbert, what happened is we have a bluff. We have something named a bluff.
Yeah.
And it's much different from most beaches in Jamaica, Great Bay. We have a bluff that it goes out from here, from where the beach starts, to our next beach we call Back Seaside.
So you think that will be able to save you here?
Yes.
Still, many admit the mental strain of living through yet another hurricane will be heavy once the winds
We just
die
have a
down.
hurricane, we just have one hurricane, terrible hurricane. Wow, and it set people on an edge right now. And then the media again, the media which is sending so much information and telling the people, go away, it cannot, trust me. After the storm, a lot of people are going to have high blood pressure.